So welcome students. In this question, given that the line 2x plus y is equal to k passes through the point P which divides the line segment joining 1, 1, 2, 4 in the ratio 3:2. So this line passes through this point. If that is so, what is the value of k? Very straightforward question. So to solve this, first step is I'll try to find this point P and then I'll substitute this point in this line. So P is nothing but, so 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 times 1, 2 by 3 plus 2, 5, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and m by 2, 12 plus 2 by 5. That is equal to 8 by 5, 14 by 5. Right? The point P is 8 by 5, 14 by 5. Now this point has to lie on this line, hence this point has to satisfy this line. So 2 times 8 by 5 plus 14 by 5 has to be equal to k, and k is equal to 16 plus 14 is 30 by 5 is equal to 6. So 6 should be the answer to this question. Thank you.